Salt Lake City, Utah at Fear Factory, and tonight I'm taking you through the entire experience. Fear Factory in Salt Lake City is one of the nation's best haunted attractions. It's a massive experience spanning multiple floors with hundreds of actors. So today we're gonna go through the attraction first, and then we're gonna hear more from some of the team behind it, plus maybe a little bit of behind the scenes about what it takes to put a show of this size together. For the Haunt Attraction Network, I'm Philip, and we're here live at Fear Factory in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Subscribe! Yeah!
Subscribe!
Don't forget to subscribe!
I'm Carl, the factory's groundskeeper, and I'll be your guide during your visit tonight. Good luck down there.
For every last drop of blood. Death for my heart! I need every last drop!
Your blood looks like fun to drain.
So the heart spared you. You'll just have to go upstairs where you'll be torn to shreds then.
Come here, you! I said to drink every last ounce of blood, every blood bath. Be rebuilt faster, better than ever. You'll be torn apart. Yes, come for your upgrade. Yes, come. Say hi to all my friends. Upstairs and you will be made anew. Yes.
Doctor's appointment. Do you feel better? of your evil, sinful soul! God can't save you! You're faithless!
Someone must have been praying for you. How about some of the Lord my heart is fixed?
Come on, right up to the counter! Welcome to the show! Here's your glass!
How's it hanging, folks?
You gonna come on! You never gave me an answer! Come on, give me a...
Come on, the remaster's that way.
Oh, welcome to this weird freaky circus that I run here. I got the weirdest freaks around. Come on down!
What do you got on your head?
You know what we do to sad clowns.
The bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Oh, the bridge is falling down.
All right, that's the show, folks. Give your little glass to the hobo. He'll deal with the trash.
Whoa! That's kind of crazy, wasn't it? Can I get your glasses right here, please? Come on! Are you guys going in there? I want to go in there. They're kind of crazy. They're kind of little, though. If you know what I mean.
Filthy creatures, you city folk! I'll make sure to have you drown with my pets.
They're gonna drown you just like they did to us.
attractions, or maybe my pet. Yes, I'll keep you and a hex for you.
As you've seen from Phil's video, this is a very large-scale facility. So we're 6 different buildings, 2 underground passages, 90,000 square feet of fully immersive and interactive scaring. It's a lot of fun. Earlier this summer in July, we did have a fire. It started on the adjacent property next to us, but good news is we were able to get the building taken care of between us and Solid Fire. And so we reconstructed kind of a building still on fire with embers burning, just to kind of help make it fun and do what we do best and to set some theme. For the 2nd year in a row, Fear Factory is the home for Dark Spirits, which is our bar that's here on property. It's a very premier event because Utah and bars are very hard to find. And so we're really excited to be able to have not only Utah's first Halloween themed bar, but to have a haunted house bar. So this year specifically, we have created a very new menu that has a whole bunch of different drinks, and our drinks are themed specifically to what we have here inside the show. One of our new drinks this year that we did for the fun of it is our Death Dare Shooter, kind of a great way that includes spicy and sweet and salty all together in one drink. So that's kind of the idea, is we want people to actually taste what the factory is like. So every year, we typically spend anywhere from $100,000 to $300,000 in getting our show ready for the season. This year was no exception. We added over 100 new, either new themes or new scares somewhere throughout our attraction. Well, we did double down on our new area, our chainsaw area, which is called Abattoir, or the Slaughterhouse. It's a bunch of gore, it's a bunch of blood. It's exactly what everyone's been asking for. And we're really excited to be able to unveil that this year, which has been really exciting. And I think as we look to the future, one of the things that we're gonna continue doing is just making sure that we have the best scares, the best sets, the best staff, be able to have the best show that we possibly can, not only for our market, but for other folks that are traveling interstate to come see what we have to offer. And we'll keep raising the bar, whether that's things that we're doing in the fall or things that we're gonna be doing year round.